This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vanilla pudding. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Having everything measured and ready before you start makes the process much smoother and ensures a perfect, creamy result every time. Now, let's get mixing. In a medium saucepan, combine the granulated sugar, cornstarch, and salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly to eliminate any lumps. Next, slowly pour in the 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously until the mixture is completely smooth. Place the saucepan over medium heat, making sure to stir constantly to prevent scorching and ensure even cooking. As the mixture heats, you'll notice it starting to thicken. Keep stirring diligently, especially scraping the bottom and sides of the pan to prevent it from sticking. Once the pudding comes to a gentle boil and has a thick, creamy consistency, remove it from the heat. Immediately stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This ensures the vanilla flavor remains vibrant and doesn't cook out. Once the vanilla extract is incorporated, pour your warm pudding into a serving bowl or individual ramekins. To prevent a skin from forming on top as it cools, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pudding. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours until thoroughly chilled. Serve it plain or with your favorite toppings. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.